Hi everybody from John's Model Works. Here we are with another update video on the 3D resin printed EAS Cortez from Babylon 5 project. We're just going to show off some of the decals and detailing that's been accomplished since the last video, since that's been the primary focus for a long time. So I have temporarily attached panels and tanks to this side of the ship so you can see what the finished thing will look like. And you can see that we have the red and yellow tiger stripe decals looking really good on all these panels. If you look, you can see that the tanks have all the fine little details on them as well. The little red checkerboard stripe patterns are there. You can see inside the main hangar bay, you can see that there are decals in there. You can see inside the smaller hangar bays that there are decals in there. Let's have a look at the center section here. Here you can see the rotating section is fully decaled, and there's a little bit of a stripe in the clear space. Those are all kind of unique. You can see that there's decals on top and bottom of the reactor section. You can see that the cooling fins have got prototype paper decals on them. These will get a lot better detailed and will look a lot better, but these are a good start. Let me show you this. This whole strut here and the engines are done. So the engines and the fins have got a little bit of a panelizing effect on them. There's a subtle panelizing decal that's been applied to the whole fin and to the engine section, and if you look close you can see the little bitty rectangles that are everywhere for the panelization effect on this ship. Babylon 5 Earthforce ships have a lot of panelizing on them, and it adds a lot more realism and depth to the ships. So I've tried to recreate that in decals. The project is coming along. We're probably more than halfway through the decals and painting for this project. The decals are what's taking so long. Creating them with this much level of detail just takes time, which is where we are now. So anyway, this is an update video for the Babylon 5 EAS Cortez project. The next one you see will be a nearly finished ship. Alright, thanks so much from John's Model Works.